I saw a video and it said to change the theme. Basically said to put it on Aero, any of these Aero themes. Now I did that and that didn't fix it. So what I did next, I Googled driver uninstaller. Scroll down, it's actually the latest ones here. Restart in save mode. It uninstalls all the drivers. I also did a search on C drive for NVIDIA, deleted anything in there, reinstalled, rebooted back into Windows, downloaded GeForce Experience, downloaded that. It said it found, did I want to install the latest driver? I did. And that fixed it.